TMOTOR X-A14 Coaxial Propulsion System. The upper and lower double propeller reverse rotation design is adopted. Power performance multiplied at the same size. With EFZ 5720-folding carbon fiber propellers. Rated thrust can reach 50 to 55 kilograms. Max takeoff weight for quadcopter, 200 kilograms payload, 100 kilograms. Max takeoff weight for hexacopter, 300 kilogram payload, 150 kilograms. Max takeoff weight for octocopter, 400 kilogram payload, 200 kilograms. Widely used in industry scenarios such as material lifting, firefighting, and emergency rescue. The TMOTOR X-A14 Coaxial Propulsion System provides core power support for heavy lift operations of industrial-grade drones.